We become what we think about. People who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. Optimism is the one quality more associated with success and happiness than any other. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sails to always reach my destination. Move out of your comfort zone. You can only grow if you are willing to feel awkward and uncomfortable when you try something new. It is our attitude at the beginning of a difficult task which, more than anything else, will affect its successful outcome. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. We must be willing to let go of the life we planned, so as to have the life that is waiting for us. Everything you've ever wanted is on the other side of fear.